So this is the screenshot from Google of how many visitors my blog is getting. And as you can see, we had over 1 million viewers in 1 year. And how did this happen? Well, I figured out how to do good SEO for my blog, and that's what we are talking about today. What is SEO? How does it work? And how can you harness it to grow your blog like this? Everything I've learned over the 5 years will be compressed into a 5-minute crash course in which we will start by understanding how search engines work, talk about key factors of SEO, and end with actionable steps to optimize your own site. What is SEO and how it works? Imagine a massive library where robots called web crawlers scan every book to decide which ones are the most helpful. If your book has a clear title, great content, and readers love it, the robots put it on the must-read shelf. SEO is like writing that book for your website. Your keywords are the title, your content is the story, and the happier your visitors are, the more those robots recommend it to others. But why should I optimize my site for SEO? Studies show that the first page of Google gets about 95% of web traffic. And the first result alone gets 28% of clicks. That's a lot of eyeballs and potential customers. So if your website isn't optimized for search engines, it's like having a great book with no keywords or titles. It's just there, but no one will find it. But here's the thing. Search engines aren't just looking for matching content. They're also trying to figure out the why behind the search, what's also known as the search intent. For example, if someone searches best cooker, they're probably looking to buy one. On the other hand, cooker recipe means they want to cook something. Understanding this intent helps you create content that aligns with what people are actually looking for. Whether it's product pages, how-to guides, or even videos, the goal is to match your content to the specific needs of your audience. Do this first. Before we get into the optimization of content, you need to take care of the technical side of the website first. Your site needs to load quickly, be mobile friendly, and use secure HTTP protocols. So to make sure your site loads faster, then you should definitely install Airlift. It's a free speed optimization tool we built to optimize your images, code, and a lot more to load your site quickly. It will run 50 plus optimizations in the backend, and in a few minutes, you will get a 90 plus page speed score, which will help you get a lot ahead in your SEO journey. If you don't get this score or you're facing any issue, then contact support here, they will resolve it quickly. How to optimize your site for SEO? Now let's talk about what really makes SEO tick. At its core, it all starts with your content. It needs to be insightful, relevant, and genuinely helpful. The more you can answer people's questions and solve their problems, the better your chances of ranking. And it's not just about the words you use. The way you use them matters more. Keywords, for instance, are the connectors that help search engines understand your content. Let me give you a glimpse of what keyword research actually looks like. To find the best keywords, start by brainstorming 10 to 20 seed words that define your niche. Think about what potential customers type into Google to find what you offer. For example, if you sell coffee, seed words might look like coffee, cold coffee, or coffee mugs. If you're stuck, use tools like keyword generators to get ideas. Next, research which keywords your competitors rank for. Search Google for one of your seed keywords and note the websites on the first page. Focus on competitors similar to your site, not giants like Amazon. If you don't find competitors, try specific phrases like cold coffee maker or coffee blenders. Once you identify competitors, use tools like these to analyze which pages bring them the most traffic and their top performing keywords. Repeat this for several competitors to build a robust keyword list. By following these steps, you'll create a targeted high-value keyword list to drive traffic. If you want to learn more about this step by step, then watch this video. Then we have semantic SEO. Semantic SEO focuses on creating content that aligns with the intent and meaning behind search queries, rather than just targeting individual keywords. It's about helping search engines understand the context of your content, which results in more accurate and relevant search results. Beyond ranking, semantic SEO makes your content more engaging and valuable to your readers, essential in today's competitive digital space. Then why is semantic SEO so important? Search engines are constantly evolving, using advanced algorithms to interpret user intent and context. By optimizing your content for semantic SEO, you stay relevant as these algorithms grow smarter, ensuring your content stands out. To implement semantic SEO, prioritize depth and relevance. For example, imagine writing a blog about best running shoes. A keyword-focused approach might say, looking for the best running shoes? These are the best for men and women, buy now. While repetitive, this adds little value. Instead, a semantic SEO approach would look like, choosing the best running shoes depends on your needs. Whether for marathons, arch support, or lightweight jogs, we'll explore top brands, materials, cushioning types, and running styles. This content naturally includes related terms, answer user questions, and signals to search engines that it comprehensively addresses the topic. Let's talk about backlinks. Backlinks are like endorsements from other websites telling search engines that your content is worth sharing. Well, this brings me to the final factor, EAT. EAT stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Experience shows you've done the work, while expertise confirms your knowledge, even via social media. Authoritativeness is built with mentions on high-performing sites and quality backlinks, while trustworthiness ensures your content is accurate with proper citations and author bios. To optimize EAT, highlight your expertise in author profiles, link active social media to your site, and write guest blogs to showcase industry knowledge. Use schema markup for rich snippets, real images, and reviews to build credibility. These steps enhance your SEO and Google ranking. If you want to know more about this, then you can watch this video. So that's how I took my blog from 0 to over 1 million users in a year. By understanding how SEO works, optimizing site performance, using smart keyword strategies, and focusing on semantic SEO and EAT principles, you can achieve the same. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. Click here if you want to 3x your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Click here and I'll see you there.